So what can you expect from education? A little spin-off of our name. So basically with the monthly group calls, they're going to be once or twice a month masterminds where we hop on Zoom and go over, and that's where we're really going to be laying the groundwork and the fundamentals that are really going to help you understand why you should level up, what you should be doing differently, and really grasp those concepts. It's going to be a lot about money and stuff. We're going to go real deep onto, we all started a business for one reason or another, and almost all of us get beat up by the business and wind up off track. So let's say you did it for freedom of time, and now all of a sudden your customers are dictating your schedule, or maybe you did it for so you can make more money, and you wind up working, so many hours that you could go get a job and make more money with less stress and have benefits and whatever. So we're going to really start there. Is why did you get into business for yourself? What were the main motives? And let's get you back on track for that. We're going to go really deep on where you want to be, a year from now, 3 years from now, 5 years from now, and we're going to lay out a plan, and we're going to help you maintain that plan. So especially as you go deep, you're going to get to meet a lot of coaches in the monthly calls. One of those is going to resonate with you, like, oh man, he's my guy. I just, every word he says is, I got to write it down. He's brilliant. We're going to hook you up with that guy, and you can go one-to-one with him and go super deep and specific on your actual goals and action plans and stuff like that. So it's going to be super, super exciting. Parts of it are going to be hard, but what was awesome in your life that you didn't have to work for, it's going to be fun. It's going to be rewarding, and you're going to really look back and see true progress and how far you've really come. So as everything I do, I stand behind it. There's no risk or anything like that. You don't like it, we'll hook you up. So no worries there. Hope that helps. Talk to you soon.